Hi my friends, welcome back. So today we're going to start with some old crochet here. If you want to see how I achieved this crochet look, just go ahead and click that little sentence above. It should be in the right hand corner. So you go ahead, click that, watch that, come back, and then you can see how I turned this old crochet hair into some new bomb crochet hair. You feel me? So right now I'm just taking out the perimeter and I'm going to wash it. I washed my hair, my braids a couple days ago, so I don't really need to wash that, but I do need to wash out my leave out. I'm gonna blow dry it and flat iron it, and then I'm gonna put the crochet hair in it. So I'm gonna stop talking now. Enjoy the video, guys. I said I was gonna stop talking, but I lied. So what I tried to do was I tried to give myself a layered look because I really did like the curl pattern on this crochet hair, but I didn't like the length. I just didn't want something to my shoulders, even though it ended up being to my shoulders anyway. But what I did was I tried to make the back longer and the middle, shorter than the back, and then the front shorter than the middle. And it was alright, but I just didn't like, you're gonna see it soon, how there was like little pieces kind of sticking out because those are the shorter pieces. You can see that right there behind my ear. That was what was going on. So by the end of it, I just decided just to do it all the same length, but it still came out pretty good. Okay guys, so that is it for this crochet look. I have never used this hair before. This is called Bounce Curl, and as you can see, it is blending flawlessly. Okay, flawlessly with my own hair. I really like it. We're gonna see how long it lasts, because I know hair like this doesn't really last that long. But right now it is giving me all the feels. It is giving me Diana Ross. It is giving me poodle, but soft, you know. So I use 2 packs of hair. I recommend getting 3 because you will run out when it comes to the top of your head if you got a chrome dome like me, like your girl. So I ran out of hair up here, but I was able to cover it, so it looks pretty good.